In this video, I will teach you 100 short sentences that will improve your speaking. I am going to give you 100 short sentences to improve your speaking and listening. You have to repeat after me to improve your vocabulary and sentences. Speak these sentences slowly and clearly. Let's begin our video. I will give you 10 sentences about morning routine. Let's get started. Good morning. Good morning. How did you sleep? How did you sleep? I slept well. I slept well. It is the time to wake up. It is the time to wake up. Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. The weather is very nice today. The weather is very nice today. Let's start the day. Let's start the day. I feel fresh. I feel fresh. Today will be a great day. Today will be a great day. Please give us a like. Thank you so much. Now I am going to give you 10 sentences about at home. Please close the door. Please close the door. Open the window. Open the window. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Sit here. Sit here. Come with me. Come with me. Please help me. Please help me. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Let's clean the room. Let's clean the room. Bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. The food is ready. The food is ready. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. Don't be late. Don't be late. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. I am tired. I am tired. Repeat these sentences again and again so that you may master it. Now I am going to give you 15 sentences about shopping. How much is this? How much is this? Repeat this sentence again and again. Repeat after me. Can I see that one? Can I see that one? I like this one. I like this one. Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? Can you give me a discount? I will take it. I will take it. I don't want this. I don't want this. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Where is the billing counter? Where is the billing counter? Do you accept cards? Do you accept cards? I am just looking. I am just looking. That's a good price. That's a good price. Please pack it for me. Please pack it for me. Please repeat these sentences again and again so that you may master it. If you want to improve your speaking, you have to practice again and again. Now I am going to give you 15 sentences about school or at work. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I need your help. I need your help. Can you explain this? Can you explain this? I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Let's work together. Let's work together. I have a question. I have a question. Please write it down. Please write it down. That's correct. That's correct. You did a great job. You did a great job. Can I take a breakfast? Can I take a breakfast? I will finish it soon. I will finish it soon. Please check this. Please check this. Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Now I am going to give you 15 sentences about talking with friends. How are you? How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. What's new? What's new? I am happy for you. I am happy for you. That's great. That's great. I missed you. I missed you. Let's meet later. Let's meet later. Call me when you are free. Call me when you are free. Repeat these sentences after me. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's funny. That's funny. Be careful. Be careful. I am sorry. I am sorry. No problem. No problem. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's talk about some sentences. Night or evening. I am home. I am home. How was your day? How was your day? My day was good. My day was good. Let's have dinner. Let's have dinner. The food smells nice. The food smells nice. I am very hungry. I am very hungry. Please pass me the seat. Please pass me the seat. The dinner was tasty. The dinner was tasty. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. Let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. It is the time to sleep. It is the time to sleep. Good night. Good night. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. These sentences are very used in our daily life. You can repeat these sentences so that you may master these sentences while speaking English. You usually use these sentences. That's why I am telling you repeat these sentences after me. Practice, practice, and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Now I am giving you some extra sentences. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are welcome. You are welcome. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I like this. I like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. It is very good. It is very good. That's not right. That's not right. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? I am learning English. I am learning English. You speak well. You speak well. I am busy. I am busy. I am busy. I am free now. I am free now. I am free now. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Take care. Take care. These sentences will help you to understand daily life sentences. At the end of this video, I want to tell you something, guys. If you are new here, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may not miss any of my video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my videos.